Hello, welcome to Mr. Sam Mathematics Clinic. Today I will be showing you how to find logarithm of number from the logarithm table. Of course, you know that before you can perform basic operation in log, you must understand how to find the logarithm of numbers from the logarithm table. So first of all, we need to understand how to determine the characteristics, of numbers. Now on the board here we have 4537. 4537. First of all, for you to determine the characteristics, you're going to count how many digits do you have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the characteristics will be 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So your characteristics for this will be 3. What about if the digit is 4, 5, 3.7? Here you have 3 digits before the decimal point, so your characteristics will be 2. Of course, if you have 45.37, now you have 2 digits before the decimal point, which means your characteristics will be 1. So this is how you determine the characteristics of your numbers. Then what about the mantissa? The mantissa is the number after the decimal point. Okay, for you to calculate the mantissa, you need to look up the numbers in the log table. So in your log table, you go and search for 45 in the row, and then 3 in the column, and difference of 7. So check for difference of 7. So in your logbook, when you get there, check the row 45. It corresponds. You check the row versus the column. Row 45, column 3. You see 3 at the top of your logbook. The digit there is 6561. So 6561. Then you check the right part of your log page. You will see difference there. You see a space where there is difference. So when you check that difference, you check difference 7, you trace it down to the same row 45. You trace difference 7 down to the same row 45, and when you trace it down, you will discover that the digit there is 7. So you write it as 0007. Of course, you will see only 7. But because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, so you have to add 0, 0, 0, then 7. So adding it together, you will have 6568, which means your mantissa is 6568. So you put 6568. So this implies that the logarithm of 4537 is 3.6568. What about the logarithm of 453.7? It will be 2.6568. The mantissa will remain the same, so far it is the same digit. So if you're checking for the log of any other number, all you need to do is to first of all determine the characteristics, and secondly, you look up the number in the log table by checking the first 2 digits in the row under the column of the 3rd digit and the difference of the 4th digit. With that, you have the log of the number. So this is how to determine the log of numbers from the logarithm table. And this, of course, is for all numbers.